Right, so today I'm going to show you how to set up for a 4-strand core. This is actually for a sanctified bracelet. Right, so first of all we're going to do a cow's hitch on the top buckle. So you get your cord, poke it down through this buckle here, like that. Pull the loop out the other side. Bring the cord over the top. Pull it down. And that's your cow's hitch. Now we just connect it to the top. Put the other buckle on the bottom. Now what we do is we go down through the buckle like that. And we come up the middle, over the top. Then we come back up through the middle, like this. Pull it through. And then get the end, poke it through that hole. Pull it tight. That's your first cow's hitch on the bottom buckle. Now we're going to do the second cow's hitch. So we do exactly the same. We go down through the middle, like that. This cord is twisting like mad, I don't know why. Goes up the middle, over the top. This is where it can get fiddly. You poke the cord back up through there, and I'm going to cheat with my needle nose pliers. There you go. Comes back up and through that loop. That's your 2 cow's hitches at the bottom. And then it all depends what you're going to do at the top, but basically I just poke the cord down through the top buckle like that. The other side down through there, and you can see it's a little bit loose, so then all you do is tighten up the jig, and there you go, ready to go. So now you know how to set up a jig for a 4-strand core. If you want to see a bracelet with a 4-strand core, check out the video up there. Otherwise, I'll see you later. Right, so today I'm going to show you how to set up a 4-strand core. So this is what I would normally use for a sanctified paracord bracelet.